and we'll talk to you later. We'll clear KB3LGO, Walt in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. KC1DXD, Mr. Dennis, come on in.
KC1DXD, very good afternoon, Rick. And also to, of course, Rolly and Mike up there. And Walt sounded great from Pittsburgh up here in Maine today. And also my neighbor down in Amherst, New Hampshire. Beautiful signal with that it's cold weather antenna. Other than that, things are quiet, 17 degrees. And I'll just give a quick hi out to the other two. I know you've got a few left before the forum broadcast comes in. So we'll hand it back to you.
Hi, Dennis. Yeah, you got a good signal here, 5.9 to +5. You're hanging right around in that area. Mike, throw out a report for Dennis.
16 over into the center, sounding good. Dennis, 20 over in the green wide guard up Copper Cliff, Ontario. Back to net control.
All right, there you go, Dennis. You went around the horn and sounding good. Appreciate you checking in. Any last words?
73s, guys, and glad you made it through Christmas. And we'll catch you all tomorrow. Be safe. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. KC1DXD and back to net.
All right, Dennis. Thanks for checking in. We'll clear with KC1DXD. And I got one more on my list. Julia Zulu. You guys keep an ear out because she's a little bit low on me. Ending in Juliet Zulu.
Whiskey Alpha 1, Yankee Juliet Zulu, Victor Alpha 3, Mike Yankee Kilo. Got you on a 5959. Richard, sounded great. Hope you had a great Christmas, and 73 to you.